starts in the kitchen. Hello, my name is Winnie Chen and I am a registered dietitian. Today I like to show you how to make a simple, easy French style chicken stew. So when it comes to French cuisine, one of the two key ingredients are butter and wine, whether it's white wine or red wine. So what I'm going to show you today is a very simple one-pot dish, and I'm going to go over the procedure together with you. So the first thing what we do is we're going to heat up the pan, and what we're trying to do is that we're going to just sear the chicken. So what I have here is chicken. So I season it with salt and pepper. And now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it with butter. So I want to take a moment and talk about the butter. There's two types of butter. One is just a regular, salted or unsalted butter. These kind of butter tend to brown the meat a lot more. And there's also another kind of butter this is sort of what we call the Indian butter. It's called ghee. And when you use this kind of butter, it doesn't brown as much. So for example, if you want to make a beautiful omelet and you don't want to have that brown looking, it's a good idea to use these kind of butter called ghee. Now for this dish, I think it doesn't really matter, so I'm just going to use regular butter. So I'm going to use a little butter just to let it melt. And what I wanted to say is that I just probably use about like 1 tablespoon of butter. Basically, just let it. The whole reason is I want that flavor of butter go into the chicken. So what I'm trying to do right now is I'm gonna just sear the chicken. And when I mean sear, and what that means is that you brown the surface of the meat. When you do that, it forces the structure better, and also it traps the moisture. So searing is a very important step. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to sear the chicken, and I have 6 pieces of chicken. You can use chicken thigh or bone-in chicken. I usually use chicken thigh, to be honest with you. But today I'm actually biting bone-in because they are on sale. So I said, okay, usually bone-in is a lot cheaper than the boneless. So I'm just gonna put it in, and I'm just gonna sear. So when you sear, you do it in about medium-high heat, and you sear maybe for about like 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And the whole point is to just let the butter flavor goes in. So after I have seared both sides for about 2 or 3 minutes, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna add some wine to give it more flavor. And I also want to lower the heat a little bit. So now it's ready. I'm gonna take these one out. After the flavor of the wine, the alcohol evaporates, I'm just gonna take the chicken out here. After I remove the chicken, I'm gonna wash this pot so that I will have a nice, fresh, clean pot to use. So with this same things right now, I'm just gonna heat it up. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat on to heat up the pot first. Okay, once it's nicely hot, I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So the next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna saute onions with the olive oil. So about 1 tablespoon. Okay, it's nice and hot, and I'm gonna just add about 1 onion, which is chop it into like I call it a dime size. So I'm gonna just saute it so that it's nice and soft, and then the flavor will come out. And then I'm gonna turn the heat low and just let it saute for about 3 minutes until it's nicely transparent but not firm. So it's very important that you don't put the heat too high. I'm gonna put it around low. This is also a good time for you to add some garlic, maybe like a 3 or 4 garlic. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it cook for about 3 minutes. After the onion has been cooked about 3 or 4 minutes, it's transparent but not burned. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in some fresh cut tomato. So these are like Roma tomatoes. One extra step that you can do to improve the texture, the presentation, is remove the skin and the seed of the tomato first before you add it to this dish. But if you don't want to do that, I think that's perfectly fine too, because you really want it to have a nice flavor. So today I'm just going to skip this step and just adding like the tomato with the skin and seed on it. And I'm just going to let it cook. Okay, I'm going to throw in some crushed garlic in here, give it more flavor. Okay, and after that, I am also going to throw in some olive to here. Oops. That means my preheated oven is ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some chicken broth in there. You can buy chicken broth that comes in a canister or comes in a can. Or if you don't have the chicken broth, you can just use the chicken seasoning. And then the seasoning usually tells you like the ratio, maybe like 1 teaspoon for 1 cup of 8 ounces of water. Okay, so it's 1 cup of chicken broth. They are nicely flavored. Okay, so let it cook maybe for another like 2 minutes. Okay, so everything's all well combined. Oh, I'm gonna add more wine to it. Okay, probably about like a 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup. Okay, okay. And again, it's the butter, the wine, the olives that really give this stewed chicken a very nice flavor. Now, again, you don't have to use a lot of butter. Like I said, I just use 1 tablespoon of butter, and that 1 teaspoon really goes a long way. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to transfer my chicken to a baking dish. Okay. I'm going to take these stewed vegetables and pour it on top of the meat. What a beautiful dish, okay? And then one more step is I'm always big on eating more vegetables, so I'm going to throw in more peppers in there to give them more color. Okay. Very beautiful, very beautiful. It smells really good too. And I'm just going to put it in the preheated oven and let it bake for another 15 minutes. So while the chicken is baking to let it be fully cooked, this frees up your time to prepare the salad, to cook starchy items such as rice or pasta.